Have you been told you need a total knee replacement? Well, understand the fears and anxieties you must be feeling. But the good news is you're not alone. I would like to share with you a successful journey of a patient of mine named Ryan. Ryan was a 63-year-old male and an avid runner who had always enjoyed the feeling of freedom and accomplishment that came with it. As the years went by, however, he began to experience severe knee pain, which ultimately led to the decision to undergo a total knee replacement. Ryan was both excited and nervous about the prospect of regaining his mobility and returning to running. The surgery itself went smoothly and without complication, and Ryan's new knee was in place. The first few days after the procedure were very challenging, as Ryan dealt with pain, swelling, and limited mobility. However, he was very determined to push through and follow his rehabilitation plan as outlined for him. Ryan's rehab journey began with gentle range of motion exercises and gradually progressed to more challenging exercises to help him build strength and stability. As Ryan's physical therapist, I worked closely with him to create a personalized program to address his specific needs and goals. Along the way, Ryan faced several obstacles, including moments of doubt and frustration. There were times when he questioned if he would ever be able to run again. But Ryan's determination and positive attitude helped him persevere, and he continued to make progress each day. After several months of hard work and dedication, Ryan reached a milestone moment. He was finally able to get back out on the road for his first run since his surgery. It wasn't easy and he had to take it slow, but the feeling of accomplishment and joy on his face was priceless. Ryan's journey showed that with determination, perseverance, and the right support team, it is possible to overcome any challenge and return to doing what you love.
Ryan's experience serves as a shining example of how a total knee replacement can lead to a complete recovery, enabling you to return to the life you love. If you found this story to be valuable, make sure to leave a like and follow the page for more.